Since human beings have consciousness, we live in a world controlled by central forces. We have no privacy of information. We have no security of wealth. Nothing is eternal, but only thoughts. Decentralized thinking is changing the world. At this moment, we are standing at the beginning of this era. Facing the vast future of this era, we will show the world a beautiful work of art. GODE Chain, which represents the consensus and link of privacy and freedom. More importantly, humanity and hope. We believe that these truths are self-evident. The appearance of prosperity is just an illusion that troubles people. The eternal fire of the universe is buried in our desire for freedom. The greatness of GODE does not depend on who created it, but whether it can break through the shackles of reality and change the world. If every blockchain is a city, so there are still too few paths between our cities. Some cities only have the most basic ordinary roads. Some cities even encounter bottlenecks. Give up carrying digital value and start dreaming about the future market. The meaning of this path is the beginning of the public chain. The carrying capacity of this city is the value of data. This is also the beginning of GODE Chain. During the construction of Web 3.0, I want to carry hundreds of millions of users, realize user experience like Web 2.0. Performance optimization of public chain is very important. The world that GODE wants to create is sufficiently interconnected. Scenarios that can be freely exchanged enable many highly different types of consensus systems. Interworking in a decentralized common system enable open and closed networks to trust each other. Whether it is enhance the flow of resources or to enhance the expansion around the radiation. Attract more users to create a real Web 3.0 supercombustion public chain. Realize the trinity of DeFi smart contract, NFT meta-universe, and distributed storage or computing. GODE Network, which will be an open standard system for everyone. The cognition and practice of GODE are also gradually diversified and enriched. For technology, we focus on the encryption industry. A vertical field dedicated to research in the next 1 to 3 years. Our vertical field is mapped in our way of thinking. GODE has always insisted on the market, that the value of each blockchain project be driven by the community. Therefore, community members will be rewarded based on their contributions to the community. Limit the portfolio to a certain number of positions. At any time, you can make a certain amount of investment or how to ensure that you are sufficiently focused rather than decentralized in the practice of the highest belief. Our original intention to follow the trend should be derived from the infinite prospects that technology itself can bring. So, we have been continuously cultivating in the field of GODE technology, infinite empowerment. Get rid of the arrogant attitude that we have all the perfect solutions. That all ecosystems enjoy mutual trust. The future of multidimensional connectivity. GODE realizes multidimensional track convergence innovation. We were born great. We were born free. Liberate the soul through the power of GID to regain our inherent quality and freedom.